Let me teach you how to use this fan. It has touch controls right here and it also has a remote. So you can choose either one. To turn it on, press this power button. And then to change the fan speed, you're gonna press the fan and there's different speeds you can choose from the four. If you want to rotate it, you're gonna press the rotate button and it will just turn. And then you can press the rotate button again to stop. Here is the timer, so you can press it and say, oh, I want to run for a few hours and then turn off. So you can see it goes up to 8 hours that you can run it for. And then we've got over here this function menu. So you can see it scrolls through. So I can put it on eco mode. I can put it on night mode so it gets a little quieter. And then it can be on auto too. There's a lot of different options you can use this fan. And then of course you can use the remote as well and do all these same things on the remote if that's easier too. So I'd say super nice fan, really easy to use, comes out nicely, and it's so small and narrow and sleek too that will fit in a closet easily if it's not in use.